Hindi mo kung saan tayo pupunta.
My work.
Nang your work, wala ka nang pasok.
Because I need to get my sweater. Yahoo naman daw. Okay, where are we now? I'm so smart.
Simbahan.
Diyan na, ayan. Taxi mo ka ba ng birthday mo?
Yeah.
What time?
Ay, ito eh.
Ay, kailan ka magsisimba for your birthday?
Thank you na lang.
Place your items in the fully insured pack and send it back to them. They'll send you cash in less than 24 hours from package receipt. That's it. Your jewelry is 100% insured. No worries. Find out how much money you can get at home.
Turista eh, nagtutour. Nag-video yung mga turista.
Ano, sino sa Takino? Ang inyong tour guide?
No, you have to speak in Spanish.
Kaya por qué no?
Ano daw?
Mi amor, yo te Takino, ano tour?
Tang.
Oh no, mom. You want my money, I want your money. It's easy as that. I want money, you want money, we make a deal. We make a deal, you break a deal, you die.
Gago. Tommy's Burger.
This is a Filipino mafia. Philippine mafia, you don't mess around. You mess around, you get killed. You get killed, you die.
You shut up.
You die, we take your
You
head,
shut up
cut your
already.
balls, give it to a dog.
Tangin. Ay, bawal pala yun. Sorry. Oh.
Kaya mo na kasi, nagmumura ka na ng minumura dahil lahat lang. Bordo eh.
Ayan na, Rose ko na. Ay, sa ate ko ay palang pala. At
Easy ka lang, easy ka lang. Yan ang favorite restaurant ni Tina.
Oh my God, it's to die for sushi already na. Din ang favorite motel ni Jo. Stop! Ay, sumobra naman, naka-zoom pala. Ay, naka-zoom. Nakita ko yung buong kaluluwa mo.
Oh shit.
Stop, baby! Okay na, mapatay mo ba ako? Pababa na lang ako, magbabasa lang ako, sinasabi ko sa'yo. Kundi sa puno, bagsak natin. Ba't ba ito nakagilid? Mukhang tanga.
Sino?
Akala ko nakagilid siya, meron lang palang line dun sa akin.
Galit na galit